sababu ya inclusivity tuelewe.
Yeah, one time ever get into a coalition agreement.
Are you ready? Thinking you have of this very clear statement. Yes.
My name is.
Yeah, okay. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. NARC-Kenya is rebranding. NARC-Kenya is changing its name. We are changing party colors, but we are waiting for the process at the Registrar of Political Parties to come to a close. We entered into an Azimio to liberate Kenyans from the ills bedeviling the country. When Azimio's purpose changed, through its leadership who are also the majority in the coalition, NARC-Kenya deliberated and exited. The 90 days are over. We are going to remind the Registrar of Political Parties. Very soon you shall hear us celebrate. We have moved, but we want to move on record that we are no longer in the Azimio coalition. In order to build a functioning state that serves the interests of people rather than a handful of political elites and their cronies, Ruto must go.